Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to make Wix forms mobile friendly. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and let's go to the website editor. So from here, we can just click edit site, and then our Wix website editor will automatically open in a new tab. I already have the tab open right here, and then here is my Wix website. So for example, I want to create a Wix form right here at the bottom of my website beside the contact us section so that my customers or users can go ahead and fill up that form if they have any suggestions or comments to the website. So from here, I can just click add elements, go to contact and forms, and then you can either use the templates right here or you can just create your own form. So for example, I will create my own form right here. So I'll just click create new form, and then this dashboard will open. And then you can now go ahead and edit your form. So let's make a simple form right here. I'll insert a header, then get the customer's first name and last name, their email, and then let's get a text answer from them. We have the first name, last name, email, and then long answer. So let's make the field title to be comments or suggestions. And then for the heading, let's change the heading into contact form. And then let's make the first name a required field, as well as the last name, and then the email, and then the comments and suggestions. And then we now have our contact form. So from here, you can just click save. And then this should be added to our website. So from here, if you don't see the form, let's go back to add elements. Let's click add existing form. And then let's wait for it to be added. Also, our form is already added right here. So we'll just select this form and then put it right here in our contact section. So now that we have your form, you can go ahead and edit the look of your form. You can go to settings and then you can change the layout like the paddings for your form, the side padding, the top and bottom padding, the spacing between rows and then between columns. You can also have some background to your form if you want to have a background color. You can also add some shadows. You can also add borders and so on and so forth. So for example, I'll add like a border right here. And then let's make a rounded corner like this. And then for the background, I'll just make it the same with my section. And then that is it. So if you want to make your Wix form right here mobile friendly, you actually don't need to do anything because Wix already has their default website translated to the mobile version of your website. So from here, you just need to double check if there are some problems with your forms right here. So we are now in the desktop view. So we can just go ahead to the mobile view of our Wix website. So just click this one so that we can switch to the mobile view. And then from here, as you can see, the Wix form is already translated to the mobile version of the website. So from here, we don't really need to do anything, but if you encounter some errors, you can just go ahead and modify your form right here. So for example, if you want to make it larger, so you can just go ahead and adjust the section right here. and then make your form a little bit larger right here. And then if you want to move some elements, like for example right here, for this strip right here, we have like a extra space right here. So we'll try to adjust this so that we only have this contact us box right here. Then you can also do the same thing for all of the other sections right here so that your website is properly translated to the mobile version of your website. So if you want to make some changes, you can go ahead and do it in the mobile view. And then this won't affect the desktop view of your website. And then that is basically it. So if you want to make some changes, just go ahead, go back to the settings of your form right here. So if you want to make some changes to the font, to the design, to the layout, just go ahead and do it right here. And then that is it. So that is how we can make your Wix forms mobile friendly. Hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.